All right, guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to be doing something else for our hair. Now, guys, check it out. I bring y'all a whole bunch of different product reviews and natural remedies for your hair to solve the problem of whatever your hair is doing, whether it's shedding, it's thinning, it's breaking off, not growing as fast, it's getting more sparse and frizzy. Whatever's going on with your hair, I'll be trying to bring you different videos on showing you what it could be. Even if it's your diet, or like I keep on pressing on stress.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Everything that I have been telling you guys about your hair, from tapping on your scalp and massaging your scalp to get the blood circulation going and flowing really good, you know, to feed those hair follicles and things. Everything that I have been showing you guys, I have been doing to my hair. Everything. And I'm going to tell you right now, everything is working. Everything is working. So everything that I am delivering to you guys, with whether it's a natural remedy, you know, like we talked about the sun, or vitamin D, or, you know, your diet where you can get vitamin D through your diet with, you know, fatty foods, nuts, you know, fish, berries, you know, just different things, green leafy vegetables. You can get vitamin D that way as well. So there's a lot of little different things that you're not paying attention to, and your hair is reacting the way it's reacting. And I told you in different videos that sometimes it's not always running to the store going to buy these products, right? Sometimes you're going to have to mix your own products up too, and we have done that as well. And the two products that I have mixed up, guys, they're my favorite. You know, do you know I haven't had to buy any hair products in a minute? And that has a lot to do with my hair being short. And when I really moisturize my hair with the products that we use and everything, guys, really 2 to 3 days after that, only thing I got to do is wet my hand or spray my hair with some water, or our wake up spritzer, you know, aloe vera and water, and just rub that through. And guys, we good to go. We are good to go. And I don't have to apply my products to my hair every day. And I love that, because that also gives my scalp a chance to, you know, to breathe and not just have product build up on my hair. Because that's what I did today, guys. I just wet my hair, guys. Look at my hair. I just wet it, and just whatever product was left just woke back up, and I styled my hair, and I just hit the streets. So the mixture that I have, you know, in store for you today, guys, is this. Rice. Okay? Rice. And so, y'all know what we're going to do, right? We are going to make rice water for our hair. Now, when you make rice water for your hair, guys, you should use it within 7 days, because you don't want it to go bad on you. So I plan on washing my hair tomorrow, and I want all of the ingredients that we're going to use on our hair to be really, really good in there. So I am going to let it soak overnight, and most likely I'll wash my hair tomorrow with it. But let me show you how we're going to mix it up now, okay? Today we're going to be using white rice. You know, I have wild rice in there. You can use brown rice. Just use rice, okay? So what we're going to do is get a cup of rice. So we're going to get a cup of rice, okay? Here's the cup. We're going to fill this all the way up. We're going to use 1 cup of rice. That's good enough. Okay, so we got 1 cup of rice. And we are going to put it in a strainer. Okay? And we're going to wash this rice, okay? So let's wash it. That looks good right there. That looks good. All right, I hope this container is big enough. So we have our rice, right? Our rice is washed. We're gonna put it in this container, okay? And when we put it in here, we're gonna add 2 cups of water to this. Let me get 2 cups of water. Okay, that's 1 cup. Okay, so we got 2 cups of water in this, okay? Now, if I wanted to wash my hair tonight and use this rice water on my hair, then I would have to let it soak for an hour or so. All right, guys, so we got the 2 cups of water in here, and so what I am going to do is let this soak overnight. Now, when I get up in the morning to use it, the water should be like a milky, cloudy water, and that's what I'm looking for, to be able to use this, you know, tomorrow when I wash my hair. Now, if you want to make this and use it the same day, just let it soak for an hour or so, you know. But I really want everything that can help my hair and scalp be able to come out of these rice strands. So I am just going to put a top on this. Let me get a top. Now, right now, I am just going to take the time to tell you the benefits of this starchy water. You see how cloudy it is? Guys, this water is going to have a lot of minerals in it. It's going to have vitamin E, it's going to have vitamin B, vitamin B8, amino acids, antioxidants, and inositol. Now, inositol is really good for your hair. It promotes growth. It is like a hair rejuvenator, okay? Now, rice water does a lot of things, guys. It increases the shine, the strength of the hair follicles. It can be used as a detangler. It reduces frizz, and it improves the overall texture of the hair. So there is a lot of positive things that rice water does for the hair. So guys, keep me posted on if you are going to try this rice water. And in the next video, guys, I will be showing you how I am going to wash my hair and apply this to my hair. But as you see here, the water is already getting murky. Okay, so that is all of the vitamins and minerals releasing in the water from the rice. I am just going to let it sit at room temperature. Now, guys, you can have this rice water and you can make it and put it in the refrigerator so it'll stay. But at the same time, you don't want to use it after 7 days, okay? So that's why I'm using mine and not making a lot of it. Look at that water. It's getting cloudy already. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put my face right here. It's getting cloudy already. So yeah, I use this tomorrow. And I'm gonna leave it at room temperature. I'm gonna sit this to the side. Okay, guys, so I have been wanting to wash my hair for like a week now. Because also I'm thinking about, you know, just shaping it up and everything because it's growing like crazy. So I said, you know what, if you're going to wash your hair, you may as well make your rice water. And when you wash your hair, you're going to make sure that your hair and scalp is clean. You're going to put that rice water all on your scalp and let that sit for a minute. And then you're going to wash that out. And then, you know, you can condition it and things. I will be telling you all the benefits of, you know, rice water, the proteins in it and everything like that, guys. But that rice water is going to sit on this counter until tomorrow at room temperature. All right, guys, well, that is it. We will be putting that rice water on our hair tomorrow morning. I am not going to put it in this video, but I am going to put it in tomorrow's video. And we're going to wash our hair and things like that and wash it, condition it and all that. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. Also, guys, if this video has helped you in any way, subscribe. Thumbs up this video. It really helps this channel out a lot. And guys, just know also that I appreciate you guys so much. And I love reading your comments. I really do. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, take care of your hair. I'm going to see you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed. before it works off my list.